Hi everyone, it's Nisha. So it's time for the fall FabFitFun box. So exciting. So I have partnered up again with FabFitFun box. This is a seasonal subscription box. So it comes out just 4 times a year. And I absolutely love it. I think this is the best subscription box out there, and I've tried quite a few. First of all, the value for money. You get over £150 worth, and I think it's $200 for under £50. So you pay for that box under £50. That's excluding postage and packaging. And also remember that this is going to be charged in dollars, so it all depends on the exchange rate at the time. And this box is full of full-size products, beauty, lifestyle, wellness, fashion, all that good stuff. So you can subscribe in different ways. You can just buy each seasonal box, or you can subscribe to the whole year, and depending on what type of subscription you have, you are able now to customize your box. So I think there is 3 products that everybody gets the same, and the rest you can customize. There are other benefits to being a subscriber to this box, because you will get exclusive access to the 8, I think is it 8? Yeah, 8 flash sales where you can get products for up to 70% off. Also, you get access to FabFitFun TV, and you can access all day workout and cooking shows and good stuff like that. This box is available now in US, Canada and UK. Yes, I think this is the second box available in UK. The first one that I've shown you, that was the first box available in UK. I love the idea of this box because you can discover new brands or discover new products from brands that you already know. And I also think this is fabulous for presents. So imagine you've paid £50 for this box, but you get so much stuff, over £150. I think my last box was over £200. And you can keep the things you really want, and the rest you can give out for Christmas presents, birthday presents. So I think it's just amazing. FabFitFun is dedicated to supporting female entrepreneurs. A lot of products that are in here are from companies founded by women. They also, with each box, raise funds and awareness for non-profits. Okay, so let's open it. I haven't opened it yet, so I'm doing it with you. So in this box you will always get the FabFitFun magazine, and on the cover this season is Meghan Trainor. So you have some interesting articles in here, and it also shows you the products that are featured in your box and the retail price. So let's do it. Okay, something from Amica. What is that? Ceramic styler. No way. And that is worth $80. Oh my God. This has an US plug, so if you're in the UK you will have to buy special adapter. I've got one because I have some other styling tools from US. Ooh, that looks very good. It has, looks like it has it has temperature control from 140 Fahrenheit to 450, and just on and off switch. It's a really pretty looking piece of equipment. I will have to try those. Amica does really good haircare products, I know that much. So that's that in a beautiful velvety pouch. Then I have something from Trestique Mini Eye Essentials. Lux Neutral Set. Never heard of this brand. Let's have a look at that. Create a gorgeous style look with the soft brown pencil, long wearing eyeliner and velvety smooth shadow crayons. And this is worth $48. It's pretty nice. You can see the colors that you have here. Oh, they look really cute. Shall we swatch some of them? So you could do... Oh, I'm trying to swatch it and it's not doing anything. You have to open them because it just looks like a crayon. Oh my goodness. It has like a triangular tip, a bit like some of the brow pencils. Oh, because it is a mini brow pencil. It's lovely and sharp. You know, I don't normally like these triangular tips, but this one is so sharp and the color seems to be absolutely perfect. Oh, I can't wait to try these. Okay, so we have that one. What is that one then? This is mini eyeshadow crayon. Oh, yes. Oh, gorgeous. Gorgeous pearly. Look at that. Oh, love that. That's so cute as well. They're so small to take away. Now, what's this one? Another eyeshadow crayon. This one is like a dark brown. Oh, look. That would be so nice all over your lid and just buffed out with a brush. And then you have the eyeliner, I believe. Yeah. And it looks like it's black. Yeah. I like this idea. So you could do like a really quick whole look for your eyes. Brows, couple of eyeshadows and eyeliner. Just need mascara. Oh, I like those. $48, people, for this. So that's already $128 just for these two things. And remember, we've paid only $50 or £50 for this box. Okay, what's the next thing? Humankind Skincare with Conscience Body Souffle. Natural, vegan and cruelty free. Lather yourself in a souffle blend of apricot oil and shea butter. Your skin will feel incredibly soft and moisturized. Shall we smell it? I absolutely love body stuff like that. Oh, it goes in really quickly. It's not too thick. It smells very nice. Definitely you can smell apricot. And that is worth $18. Okay. Oh, Aveda Damage Remedy. I love this stuff. I actually have a tube of that. This is Daily Hair Repair. So how you use this, you just rub small amount in your hands, shake the tube first, rub small amount in your hands and they distribute it evenly through your hair, wet hair, and don't rinse it. So it's like a leave-in conditioner. It's a really, really good product and that is $30. The next thing we have is Aromatherapy Associates Deep Relax Rollerball. So it's a roll-on. What do they say about that? Zen out wherever you are with the relaxing blend of vetiver, chamomile and sandalwood. And this retails for $29. Oh, that is so very aromatherapy smell, aromatherapy associates. So this is supposed to be really relaxing. You apply it onto your pulse points and it's supposed to give you zen and relaxation. That is like being in a spa. Love that. The next product is Juice Cleanse from Harper Ari, and these are exfoliating sugar cubes. So let's have a look what they say about those. These delightful sugar cubes are a great way to exfoliate and nourish your skin in a shower, all while leaving a yummy scent. Let's smell them. Oh, they smell like lemon and lime. They actually smell like sweets. I feel like I want to eat them. You know, like when you get those sugary sweets. Oh, that is so gorgeous. I'm so exfoliating myself with that. I don't feel like I would want to give anything away from this box. And they are $18. Oh, Bubble Bar. I've heard of Bubble Bar. I've never had anything from Bubble Bar. I've got a pair of earrings. These earrings retail for $34. And of course, I want to try them on now because I think they are beautiful. So let me put them on. Oh, I quite like it that they have a post, not a, you know what I mean, not like a butterfly clip. Okay, I love those. They are golden color with like diamantes. Oh my gosh, they are beautiful. Can you see? I might have to put the other one in. I love earrings. Gorgeous. Did I say how much they were worth? $34. I love these. Love them. Okay, what else have we got here? Oh, and I have a lifestyle product. Gourmet wood and ceramic cheese board gift set. Well, that is beautiful. And I love that sort of stuff. We are very much into gadgets like this in our house. And whenever we have a dinner party, we always treat our guests to cheese board afterwards. Oh, this is so pretty. I don't want to unwrap it right now, but there you go. Oh, that's so nice. This is actually quite small, so this is probably cheese board for two. But it is beautiful. And this is from Twine Living. Let's have a look how much that retails for. This is $30. Let me quickly add up now everything that I've had. We will see how much is in my box. Okay, so I've added all up and my box is worth $251. But remember, you only paid, is it $49 in US? I don't know, but $251 is about £200, and you only pay £50 for this box. So the value for money is incredible. So let me again just explain to you a bit more about all these products. So next to all these products, you will have these colors like a aqua one, orange and yellow. So it shows you that the items that are marked with that aqua color, all members will receive those products. Then the orange color, all members get the chance to customize these options in their box. And select members, so I think you have to be the yearly subscriber, only select members get to customize these options in their box. Otherwise, FabFitFun will choose the best option for you. So let's see what everybody is getting in this box. Okay, so in this box, if you go ahead now and subscribe not to miss out on this box, the 3 products that you will definitely get is the exfoliating sugar cubes, these ones. You will also get the Humankind body souffle, and you will get the Aveda damage remedy for your hair. Then the most things on this page you can customize, and then for the special members there is just few products to choose. Okay, so like last time, I am over the moon with this box. I don't actually want to gift anybody anything from this box. I like it all myself. I might actually gift the straighteners because I have a couple of different hair straighteners, so I don't really need third. So I might gift this to someone, but the rest I'm keeping. Okay, my lovely, so this is your fall FabFitFun box. You have to be quick because they do sell out, I think, pretty quickly, especially if you want to be able to choose what you want in your box. Also, I have a 20% off coupon for you, so please look in the description box. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching and stay fabulous. Bye.